Capitalising on unseasonably mild weather and a clear desire to commission the new ramp as soon as possible, work is really moving ahead on the Kingston dock. There's activity both inside and outside the new passenger terminal. On the south finger dock, passing supplies associated with a bubbler system, we round the corner to see welders hard at work. Behind the passenger terminal, laminate facing is being applied to an external wall. Behind the existing passenger terminal, we can see, recently unveiled, a massive installation for a 46 kilovolt electrical switch. Later in the week, electricians can be seen installing new street lamps. The assemblies are installed, complete, with wiring, ready to go. Work continues on the placement of mounts for the fenders. Whilst positioning of the mounts is being completed, the fenders themselves lie on the dock, awaiting installation. Orange tarps and the presence of heaters suggests that much more concrete is due to arrive. On Friday, there is a delivery. Cold conditions make for a slightly more challenging time. It seems likely that we're seeing protection placed for the heavy-duty cabling that will connect the switch to the resource building. It will be interesting to see what the next week brings as we watch the Wolf Islander 3 pull once again into the Kingston dock. Thanks for watching.